In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a RISE test session. First, go to utahrise.org and go to Test Administration and log in. On this screen, you'll see any current active testing sessions, as well as a tab that says Upcoming Sessions. This will show any sessions that you have scheduled. Click Schedule a Session to set one up. First, choose the date, then click Next. Then select which test you want to administer on that date. Once you've selected the test, if this is going to be a remote administration, you have to select Remote or Hybrid. Only keep it at in-person administration if you're going to be administering this to students in your classroom. Also, give the session a name and click Save Session. Apply a label to the test, and then you'll have your session ID that's going to launch on the date that you've chosen. It also supplies you a link that you can send out to students who are going to be testing at home. This is the link that they'll use to access their test. Even though the test session is set up ahead of time, students will still need to test synchronously, meaning they have to test at the same time that you're logged in and have your proctor screen open. So students won't be able to test at any point with this code. They can only test at the time when you've logged in and launched a proctor screen. Students at home won't use the testing app that the students in class use. They'll need to open a browser and go to this URL. On your test administration screen, you can log in and go to Upcoming Sessions at any point to see the session that you've created and scheduled. You can click Share Link to get another copy of the link at any time. If you created this session in error, you can always delete it, or if you need to change the test, you can click Edit and select a different date or a different test. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or 801-567-8393.